How to create a group on Snapchat. What's up everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily create a group on Snapchat. So if you want to share your snaps with your group at once, this is a useful way that you can do it. So first of all, just open your Snapchat, and now from here what you want to do is tap on this little plus icon at the bottom right, and you will see an option to create a new group. You can chat with up to 200 friends in a group, so you can just add your friends right here. And once you do this, all you have to do is name your group. So you can just write any names for your group and then tap on chat with group. Now you can send them snaps or send some text messages, and they will be notified about your message. You can even send your snaps. And once you do this, your group will be created. So as you can see, this group has been created right here. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on new updates. I'll catch you guys on the next one.